Good. Minamile nkure na some human behaviors that are very annoying. Eminye boys or eminye girls way. Miabe honlo no agbeno no robukume no remian ni mele like no vo. Enyere keje mele miasi mata ngro meten ngro na wo. Agbeno no kawe do me talk kawe melis de fi he. Opo boys alo opo honlo alo mi boys o te wana do alo girls o te wana do ho me like now, which is very annoying. Minamile nkure do number 1. When someone enters your room without closing the door, now I'm only knows where Ole for me fifla. Ya o get o jile for me. Over glonu kemi obi no glove, over kon kemi obi no corner for no join I see ho two over her front door. Joe with the 90 be. Very, very annoying. No nyanya be ho nya let me go and sit down and I change your behavior. Good. Number 2. When someone enters your room and step on your slippers, no kemi venanam day. Opo ho le home ko ope slippers ko le ope homo no ya me gere ojile home fun ma kwan gba chere agba ekpo bede ope slippers le monu le ta ne ko ne bi ada afokpa dara ne de to ko dere fa hajiro je azo fa fokpa je wo kero fa fokpa me le ope homo no very, very annoying. No le no nya mere he zo na mo fa afokpa je le homo no. You have to change your behavior. Go and sit down. Good. Number 3. When someone finish bathing with your sponge and did not clean the water, ego me 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 boys o si be no be favorite best friend bathing to normally a etin na fa kucha nya boys o mi zana me no fa kucha. Yes, let me plan me le close be me no me za me fa kucha ko le fa jale gban no le ti wodo vuvu na akucha me le poi please we chine dole me me no so pe sponge fifla ko en go fifla je ajale o ma vuvu akucha molo joga gboko akucha kle chi bobo si pe ko dajele gba me jogo dele ko dereji ta no le chi wono wa popa jele gba me la echi yo lego me ja jele be te vore me menyo ko change your behavior. Go and sit down. Good. Number 4. When someone sleeps and snore, ege mi kraka vena mejo wo na ba sran kwa na ba no pa no nya ho me e cho bete be ba sran po ya mlan de jo ba le pa eke me kelja me kimi lo na po bete o feel offended. Go and sit down. It's very annoying. Good. Number 5. People who keep saliva in their mouth. Menye funo onyo. Get up no number no le normally no nyale even keke me no le TV because he wa do you give 2 times. In the first place, like ta wa be jiro pe nu me. Jo le ho me jo mutare nu me. Debi akona wi, jo le nu wole. Kaka lo wa mutare ma kono nyawudo now. Ndebi si ho na afene Go and sit down and change your behavior. Good. I want afene ocha. They should go and sit down. Number 6. Boys who sleep with their hands around their vekuha. Much video no nyamala no nya wa nya mala mi fla nya dan lo fla ko pasi lo pe boxer me. Ye me na ifuko do don lele o. Go ko dana ifuko hala lego no wo. Sigbe ko pasi no boxer me ho nya mala sigbe ko pasi no boxer me. Tem te ko jo o scratch ko ha. No fo ndi kan no po pe fe me. Je edison no pe se ko Enye chuwi no be amala they are still a boxer me. Go and sit down and change that behavior. Very annoying. Number 7. Calling people who call video call without permission. Very, very annoying. Maybe I am video call na kwanya be nkumene na manya na makeup mama makeup dare dokumia cho ne mi ba do te pere we te be onya kwa mi nya le location do mi le te pere fine le kwa emi mi le comfortable mi feel like you are me video call without permission ma pick am no call afoju home re gbere kare ma no mi nye gbere ka kwa mera yon video call ma pick ka fia miere. Go and sit down and change your behavior. Good. Number 8. Boys who use girls picture on their profile never nyamere na nyen chuko za pe picture ko dare o pe profile nga nyen onu zamile jemi na mi na mi le motra na nyen chuko de ko pe picture ngbo papere ko dare fimi ko mi nya ben chupe account ye ya mi amero ni mi ko mi nyen chuko jemi ko nyonu vio pe picture ko dare mi pe profile jemi ba mi zu bla me degbe wala mi amele degbe. Change your behavior. Anyway, no so be human behavior we wo na do nko over na do me no pa nyi me you if you are down in the comment section. Apart from that, go and sit down.